Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have the project share of items that I've made using In Love Art's products. I shared the unboxing video with you a little while back. There's also a giveaway that was involved with that unboxing. So today I'll show you the projects that I've made, as well as I will be announcing the winner. So the first thing I made was this birthday card. And I used one of the metal dies that has like a stitched frame sort of to it. So you can see on the front there how that really looks. Now I did have to run it through my die cut machine 4 times in order to get all the little edges in there. But I really like the effect. As you can see, it looks really nice, like if it was nicely stitched. I think I would probably use this maybe a little less going forward. Maybe I'd like a frame that has that on it, but then I guess you're limited, right, by the size of the frame. Okay, so the next one I did, I think this one turned out so adorable. It's the little watering can with the florals, and I made another little card with it. This one doesn't have sentiments, but you know, it's something that you can add sentiments to later. And these are the dies that I use. Now I will link everything below, as well as coupon code for In Love Arts if you're interested in any of the pieces that I'm showing you here. So I love this die because it has the background to it. As you can see, I did the background in black, and then you add the color pieces on the top, and then it really pops up the elements of this metal die. So really, really a cute die. And it just turns out really nice. And also it's like nice and sturdy because you're sort of backing up your die with another piece. So I really like this one. The next one we're going to check out is also another one of my faves. And I've really enjoyed using the dies for these projects. The little tea set. So it comes with a stamp, like a stamp set, and then it has some coordinating metal dies that come with it. So I kind of had a difficult time in the sense that I couldn't really envision how this was going to turn out, but I really like what I ended up making. So here I've stamped the little the little teapot onto the paper, and then you can see here there's nothing in the center, so they've just sort of left that blank. So it was a little fiddly to work with, I found, because of the fact that it has no center. But then, of course, it comes with the coordinating little stamps that you can, you know, use anywhere. So I did put it in the center, just like I kind of showed it here in the packaging. And then, of course, I used the metal die itself to cut out the teapot. So that was pretty cute. And this is one of those, I think they're called jewelry envelopes. So I kind of use that as like additional little pockets. So I've got a little pocket there for my tea. And then I used the little, the little cup, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. So you've got all the stamps, of course, the tiny little tag, and then the, like I said, coordinating. So there's 4 coordinating dies that go with the set, and I used all 4 in the project, which I think was super cute. So I think it turned out nice. And then I used some of the additional little stamps. There's like some florals that came with it, which I think is really nice always. So like, you know, it's got a few different ones and they stamp out so beautifully. So I really, really like the stamps in this set as well. And then for this set as well, I just used one of the frames, and this set also comes with this coordinating metal dies, which I think is really cute. I'll probably make a project that I'll share with you in the near future with the additional pieces that I'm showing. So I thought this would be so cute for, you know, adding it to a journal or sending it in Happy Mail, because it's really nice to add additional pieces to it. Now, the other one that I wanted to try, and it was just so neat to see this pattern. So you can see how the pattern looks, because it looked to me like it was like fabric, sort of like, you know, that sort of thing, right? So anyways, so this is what this piece of scrapbook paper looked like. And then I ran it through with the pattern, and look at it. I wish you could feel the texture of the paper, because it actually changed the texture of the paper, which is amazing. It gives it this nice little like soft plushy feel. I tried it on the envelope, and equally it looks just as beautiful, and there's like that really nice texture to it. And then I took another one of these jeweler's envelopes, that's hard to say, and I ran it through as well. Now this one, it almost felt like it was going to tear the paper apart. I guess it really depends on the thickness of the paper, but I love the effect because the entire envelope now has that beautiful texture. And then I thought I would try it on a glassine bag, and this is just the glassine bag I used, and I love it, but also it tore it up a little bit. So I think I might like put a little bit of washi tape on this one afterwards. Like if I'm sending it away, you know, loaded with little goodies, maybe I'll decorate it a little bit with washi tape or something that can maybe fix that little tear. But I really love how that made the paper feel and how it gave all the paper a different texture. Okay, the next one that I know you probably all have been waiting for is the little sewing machine one. Oh my goodness, it was so fun to work with, but also fiddly as well. So this is like the one that comes with all the little different elements. So it's got the little paper clips and all that other stuff that you can see here. Okay, and then it also has the sewing machine. Now the paper I use for this little flip out is from Digital Collage Club, and I will have a link to their shop as well as coupon codes if you're interested. So this was a really cute one. I did actually color in all the little pins so that you could see a difference. And then for the needle, I ended up cutting the thread from one of the needles, and then I left it on the other one. So you can see just the variety of designs you can make with this one. Now here I just added a little journaling card. This happens to be from my own printables, my digital downloads. I will link those below. This is the fabric patchwork patterns. There's a few pages of that. And then I also have the French Fashions, which is the little card that you saw. That's supposed to be meant to put like samples of fabric and stuff on it. I put it in on this side of the fabric of the printable. Okay, so then on this side, I've got another little pocket. And then this is also from Digital Collage Club, from the sewing theme kit. And then these little fabric looking pieces are again from my patchwork kit. Now these ones were so interesting to play with because, you know, unless you know what you're cutting up, you really won't get an idea what it is. So it comes with the stamp set and the die set. And that's why I had selected all these, because I wanted to try them out. So you can see one of them I punched out the little center and the other one I didn't. So you have your stamp set, and then you have your two coordinating dies that go with it. So this middle die here just cuts out all the little perforations, so you can see it there. So you would add that on top of that, and then you get this. Okay, so that's how this one works. I thought it was super cute. I haven't fully worked on it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like in case you're interested. And then it has all these other little stamps that come with it as well, which was really nice. So I made another little pocket here, and this petit button card, the little button card, is also from my kit. And I'm just going to put the links to my shop as well below. And so is the little flip out. I made it with the fabric patchwork kit that I have just shown you, and I just made a little pocket with it. So it's just really cute. It's got some printed words on fabric there as well. So here's the sewing machine. Look how cute it is. I added a little string in the center to make it look like the actual thread. And then another piece of my fabric patchwork paper, so it looks like I'm stitching fabric. I thought that was so adorable. And then of course the little safety pins. Now the safety pin that's open is a little fiddly, I have to tell you, because it's hard to keep it together because it keeps wanting to open up. But it looks so cute when you're done. And the sewing machine has all those little pieces that kind of cut out. See the little L on it? I thought it was perfect for Liz. So anyways, I saved a little L for a different project, but I thought it was such a cute set. If you are someone that enjoys anything sewing themed, this is like such a perfect little set. And then on the back here, I added the little button die cut. You can see this is quite a large button actually. So I'm just going to put it here so you can kind of get an idea on the size in this little square. So it's a pretty large button. So I made a little floating folio type of thing that you can load up with ephemera again. And I thought that would be so cute to send to friends, etc. Okay, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed the flip through so far. Links to everything will be in the description box below, and coupon codes as well for anything that I have shown you. If I forget anything, just leave a comment. Let me know what you would like information on, and I will try and get back to you as soon as I can with those links and everything else. Okay, so I had a lot of entries for the giveaway, and I'm so excited to announce the winner. I'll give you a few days to contact me, and then I'll move on to the next person if I don't hear from you. Congratulations, Joyce Solomon, I believe it is. Congratulations, and thank you so much for entering my giveaway. I do have another winner coming up for the other video I had for your creative studio, and I will have that video very shortly up. I'm just editing it right now, but thank you again for joining me. Let me know which one was your favorite project, which one is your favorite product that I showed you, and thank you so much for your support with my shop and channel. Every like, every comment, every follow, subscription really helps support me. Don't forget to click that notification bell to know when I have another video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.